Again, everybody, it's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It is Wednesday, the 2nd of August, and these are the charts of the day. Wasn't a good day on Wall Street, folks. Not at all. Market did not like the downgrade by Fitch in terms of the U.S. credit rating, and in addition to other interest rate factors, the market had a very difficult day. Yet there were stocks that really look good, and there's always stocks that are running. One of them is AHI. Let's start off alphabetically with that, which about a month ago exploded. It literally went from like a 1 to 15, 16 in a couple of days, and then came down hard and bounced, and then formed a falling wedge. But today it popped out big time, going from 3 to 510 and finishing at 388, backing off. Still up 79 cents at 25% on 32 million shares, 37 million, sorry. So we're going to watch this carefully, because if they take out the double top of today's high, over 510, 6.5, and 9 might be targets. We're going to monitor this one closely. CLDX, a swing trade with a beautiful long-term inverse head and shoulder breakout, return to retest the neckline breakout, and what a nice move, and a 1, 2, 3 wave today with a pop of 20% on 3 million shares. Now my target's 18. EXTR, stepping its way higher as well, 5th wave underway. It had a big spike of 238, or about 8.5% on 5.5 million. That's the highest level ever achieved, I believe. Let's take another look. Nope, way back, at least a 22-year high though. So let's keep track of this one, as the top of the channel now measures around 36, and that would be my swing target. FNGR swing, another good day after yesterday's pullback. It popped 34 cents at a lousy market, a good sign. If this takes out yesterday's high over 618, I believe we're going back to 7.25, and maybe as high as 9 or better. FRSH coming out of a base pattern with big breakaway gap today, jumped 358, or almost 20%, 14.5 million, the biggest volume on an update we've seen in many years. That could be a breakaway gap in a runner. In my opinion, I think we're going to see the stock eventually make a move into the mid-20s and then low 30s. IDAI exploded today on a second follow-through day, and has now gone from 80 cents to 290 in just two and a half sessions. But 290 is resistance, so it did back off. Keep an eye on that level, because if it gets through it, 4.5 is a target. MEDS exploded as well. That one went from 671 to 1344, nearly doubling today, trading 61 million shares. It did pull back to 11 and change from 1344, so we'll be watching 13.5 and 1490 15 zone as your next potential follow-through targets if it does have that move. POWL, strong earnings report, exploded. We traded that beautifully today. Open 74, ran to 90, finished 84.56, up 23.25, 38% gain. It's thinly traded less than 800,000, but even that was the biggest buy we've ever seen on that stock. So I think this has potential for being a $100 stock. Rytm, one of my picks for the year, snapping back big time. In the last 2 days has gone from 18 to 25 and change. Pulled back to 24.16, but still finished up 141, or 6%. My goal is to get this one into the 27.5 and then 30 range. TEVA, big engulfing reversal bar, taking it from 816 to 949, finishing 924, up 95 cents, or 11.5% on 33 million, 35 million traded total. There is some resistance on 9.75, my target. Beyond that would be 10.5 and 12. And finally, VRT with a huge move today. We traded that one well too. Opened 32.48, if dipped down to 26 and change, and then ripped to 34 and change, up 792, a 30% gain. 40 million shares traded. Now looking back at this chart, it's an all-time high. Maybe some follow through into the low 40s. Let's look at some of the hot stocks at thetechtrader.com today. And this is HB signing off. Have a great evening, everybody.